Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on this Xbox 360 Slim. It has a no power issue. You can press the power button and it doesn't do anything. So let's get to it. Alright, so here I have my 360 plugged up. I have my power supply plugged into the 360. It's on orange mode, which is standby. And I'm going to show you. Nothing. It does absolutely nothing. First area I'm going to check is this button circuit board under this panel right here and see if that might be it. If that's it, that may be an easy fix. If it's not that, it's going to be a lot more in depth. So let's get to tearing this thing apart. Well, I see something concerning. These tabs right here are broken. I don't know if that means someone has taken this apart or tried to take it apart. But anyway, that's not a good sign. It was sold as has never been opened, and maybe it hasn't been, but it's looking like it probably has been opened. The warranty sticker really didn't look like it had been opened, so maybe it may have been dropped, or maybe somebody was trying to get the faceplate off of it, trying to check the piece that I'm trying to get to check, and they didn't know how to get it open, because you got to know what to do on these in order to get them open. They don't just open really easily. I got to get me some iFixit tools instead of using the wrong ones for the job. I've used the wrong ones for the job about this entire job. I still got something holding. Ah, there's one more. I looked for it. I thought there was supposed to be 5, and I just could not find it. Now the top will come off. Well, I said it would. That's not a good sign. There's a broke piece of plastic. I did not break. I'm going to say this thing has been dropped. Alright, it's just that shield holding it on. I'm going to try to find out what is broken. That just literally came out without any pressure on it. Is it going to be that simple? Is it going that ribbon cable was not all the way in. Surely it's not going to be that simple, and I hope it is. I'm going to look at that capacitor. So first thing, I'm going to plug that ribbon cable in, hook power to it, see if it'll fire up. Is that right? I think that's supposed to go around that. It was not around. I saw that early on. All right, let me hook the power to it. We'll see if we get something. All right, I'm gonna press the power button now. That was it. It was literally unplugged. I kind of wanted to do some solder work on this, but I mean, that's a win. I'm going to probably keep this one and mod the far out of it. I want to probably put a clear side glass in it and some LEDs. The Xbox is fixed. It was literally some drop damage. I don't believe it has been taken apart. I believe the clips that's broke on the other side is from drop damage. I still have not found what piece that is. But anyway, let me get this put back together and we'll see if it works. And if it does, I will probably disassemble it later on. Do a lot of beautification to it, do cleaning to it first, and go from there. All right, she's back together. Let's see if it'll turn on still, and then we'll hook it up. Well, I'll just go ahead and hook it up to the TV, and we'll see if it'll cut on, and then we'll throw a disc in, see if it'll play a game. Anyway, that was way easier than I thought it was going to be. It's not good for a video, but anyway, maybe this will help somebody out. Maybe you're having that problem. Okay, I'm going to hit the power button. We're going to see if this comes on. And it does. Wow, we got some profiles on here. Let me get a disc and I'll see if it'll load the disc. Okay, I got an Xbox game. Let's see here. The eject works. I didn't think about even trying that. My problem is I hadn't got a controller connected to it. I don't know if it automatically jumped to the game or not. Yes. All right, so the DVD drive works. I'm going to end up doing a mod on this and putting a hard drive in it. Let me stop this. I'm going to end up doing a hard drive and doing a mod on it and getting it to where I can pull all my games off the disc and put them on the hard drive. Well guys, that didn't really turn out the way I had planned on it turning out. I was kind of disappointed because I didn't get to work on it, but I mean I did get to work on it, but the fix didn't require me to use any of my electronics skills, my soldering skills, and I really wanted to try to see if I could get something that was truly broken and get it going again, but it didn't turn out that way. Anyway, I do have another PlayStation 2, and it is right here, and it is truly broken. Somebody's been inside, somebody's been already doing some soldering, there's some flux around. I don't have all the screws to it. So that's going to be a real project. That one's going to be next. I thank y'all for stopping by and watching today. Y'all come back next time. We'll see what we got going then.